How to fix the New York Times apps not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, head towards the option of General, navigate to the option of iPhone storage. Now in this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in a device. Go ahead and find the app The New York Times. Once app appears, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all the solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, this app will be deleted from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app The New York Times. Once app appears, install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix the New York Times app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.